Singh, the world has gone through various tough time, Spanish flu, world wars, depression and many more. But by the hard determination, commitment and self-discipline and the teamwork, this world has come out from these all disasters in the past. So this COVID-19 is also no more different, and I am 100% assured, me, you and all come together and we are going to win this battle. This is the time for the examination. This is the time for examination of our self-discipline, our commitment, our positive attitude, our approach, our presence. So we should stick to all these measures in a very positive way. Keep faith on the God, think positive and don't lose the hope. This is the key to fight against this COVID-19. This is just a simply virus. It's not any weapon or any atom bomb. It's only simple virus. And we can fight with this virus by our commitment, by our approach. This is the time to give respect, to support our frontline warriors, soldiers, those who are on the front line to help us, to support us. Our doctors, our nurses, our health professionals, our housekeeping staffs in the hospitals, they are the real heroes in this tough time. So it's our moral responsibility as a citizen, as a people of this world, we should give full support, full cooperation to these warriors, because they are fighting for us. They are out of their home to save us. So we should give full respect and full support to these warriors. Apart from this, as an ideal manpower, as an ideal condition, the government of Tanzania is doing fantastic job. Whatever they are giving the guidelines to follow, as a responsible citizen, as a responsible people, you should take it on serious note and follow it seriously and carefully. This is the tough time. I know all people are fighting, but by willpower, by positive attitude and by God's grace, we are going to win this battle. So let's come together, let's pray to God to fight against this COVID-19, and I am 100% sure that day is not too far where this world will be free from this virus. Thank you so much. Stay healthy and stay blessed.